All-in-one gel polish kit. 6*10 ml nude gray nail gel plus 2 nail enhancement builder nail gel, 48W nail lamp, 12 kinds rhinestone wheel plus 5 nail art glitter powder plus 6 nail sticker, 10 ml base top coat, 36 PCs curved dual forms, 12 sizes *3 PCS each, 9 professional manicure tools, ideal gift for nail art beginner. Enjoy DIY at home. Modelones Gel Nail Polish Kit with Gel Poly Nail Gel is easy to use. Even a beginner will be easy to make her beautiful and durable nail extension. Enjoy nail art by yourself and save your time and money in the nail salon. 28 days no peel-off bubble-free healthy. Modelones Gel Nail Polish Set is made from upgraded natural resins and 11 non-toxic ingredients that with high pigmentation and glossy shine, say goodbye to air bubble and peel-off problems and would not damage your nails. Spend 3 minutes and long-lasting for 28 plus days. Quick drying and wide compatibility. Ultra-fast drying UV light LED nail dryer with 3-timer setting auto sensor for fingernail that your average curing time is shortened by 50%. Suitable for almost gel nail polish set and poly extension gel, non-harmful to eyes and non-blackened to skin. Notice: the poly nail gel may be too sticky and hard. You can dip the poly nail gel brush into the base top coat and then spread evenly. The poly nail gel helps alleviate this situation for a better shaping effect. We strive to make the color of the picture swatches as accurate as possible to the actual product, but due to different monitor settings and electronic devices, colors may differ slightly. Top reviews from the United States. If I knew then what I know now. I wish the kit came with a non-slip solution. Although I'll say this kit made it so much easier to just do my nails at the house instead of paying someone to do them.